Hi guys, I want to share with you the upgrade of my vintage Contax TVS Digital. Well, it's in mint condition. I absolutely love the CCD film sensor. Well, and this is the firmware original, which is the 1.02 of the Contax that comes. So I'm gonna show you right now. Well, I'm gonna here to see the current firmware. You should press the menu button plus power, and you can see. Well, okay. Well, again, you can see there's Contax TVS version 1.02. Well, then this won't be anymore since today. So I'm gonna get a camera faster after the update. You can see I already transferred to the camera the firmware, which I download from the page that I will write below in the description for you. Well, there's the menu and the firm update. It just appeared now because I put the folder. Well, and I can explain more detail everything what I did. You can comment if you want to know how to do it. So, and also I can attach the link of the description how I did and everything, because honestly you're gonna feel like you're gonna have a faster vintage camera, and this camera is a treasure. So okay, I'm gonna proceed, execute. Now is updating to the last. It lasts over 1 minute approx. So I am in love with this camera. The colors, the picture, it's magic with the CCD sensor. It shows the real color in the film mode. So I am updating for a faster camera performance. Yes, firm updated complete. Yes. Then I restart. Now the camera is updated to the last firmware version. Well, we'll see again that everything is well. You can see now. Oh, well, you can see now the version 1.05. Voila. Well, that's it. Enjoy.